Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is steel drum black currant. Like some of our other currants out here, particularly the black currants, the upright branches, if you just glance at it, it seems like there's not too many berries, but that's because the weight of the berries has bent all the branches down to the ground. So this is loaded. This is a very productive black currant for us. This steel drum it's a large currant. Look at some of these. Some of these are pretty big. It's not, these are bigger than typical black currants. A lot of the black currants we have are quite a bit smaller. And actually I was out here sneaking some black currants earlier, and I tasted this one, and it's pretty good. There's only not all of our black currants are good for eating out of hand, but this is definitely one of them. It's got that strong currant taste. It has, but it has enough sugar in it to make it easy for my palate to handle. And my palate is, I guess you could say, it's an American palate that likes sugar. And I didn't grow up with currants, so I don't have any nostalgia for them when they're out in the field. But these are totally edible, and they'd be even better like on cereal or in cream, or and you can imagine putting them in a crumble or putting them into the jam would be great. Like we mentioned on all our currants, they're very easy to propagate. It's an unusual fruit, but if you ever want to make a copy of it or increase a certain type in your orchard, all you have to do is take a cutting when it's dormant in the winter, and you can stick it in a pot, and it will start to root out and leaf out as spring approaches. And we have a really high success rate with that. So I'll leave, there'll be a link at the end of the video where you can see how we propagate our black currants. This is steel drum black currant. It's a large, sweet tasting black currant. You can eat it out of hand. And so if you are looking for another type of black currant for your collection, this is a good one to have.